Welcome back to Guitar Explorer. I'm John Stockdale, and we're talking about intervals of fifths. We're in the key of C. The diminished fifth interval is going to be B to F. If you invert F to B, the augmented fourth in the key of C, upon inversion, augmented becomes diminished. And we're going to keep our power chord shape, so to speak, huh? C to G, and then scalar. We're just going to move C goes to D, G goes to A, so the same shape. E, F5 we call it, because there's the note F, and the 5 notes away from F is C. G to D, A to E. Here's our interval of a diminished fifth, B to F. And then we're back where we started an octave ago on these two strings, C to G, and that's the way you're going to treat all the two strings side by side. So you're going to play a fifth from G, the open string G, G, A, B, C, D, find D on the second string, 3rd fret. Now, our interval shape is going to change. Instead of it being only consisting of 3 frets, it'll consist of 4 because everything on the B string goes up 1 fret. So, A5, B diminished. Okay, it's a 3-fret spread from B to F, from string 3 to string 2. C5, D5, E5, F5, G5. And then A5 is where we started. Okay, so from the D string open, we have D5, then we have E5, F5, G5, A5, B diminished fifth, C5, D5 is where we started, A5. Here's our B diminished, C5, D5, E5, F5, G5, A5, and then our E5, F5, G5, A5, B5, C5. There's our B diminished, B to F, right? C5, D5, and E5. Let's do fifths, and we're doing 3 notes. And then going 3 intervals, and then going to the next group of strings. We started on G when G5, A5, B diminished, C5, D5, E5, F5, G5, A5, B diminished, 5, right? We just said B diminished. C5, D5, E5, F5, G5. You could do all the other ones the same way. You start anywhere. Let's start on D. We got D5, E5, F5, G5, A5, B diminished, C5, D5, E5, F5, G5, A5, B diminished, C5, D5. Okay, you should be able to start anywhere. A5, B diminished, C5, D5, E5, F5, G5, A5, B diminished, C5, D5, E5, F5, G5, A5, B diminished. Okay, you could do 4 intervals at a time. F5, G5, A5, B5, C5, D5, E5, F5, G5, A5, B diminished, C5, D5, E5, F5, G5, A5, B diminished, C5, D5. You get a lot further up the fretboard. See, I started here and then here. Alright, well, there's intervals of fifths. There's different ways to study fifths, but that's a good place to start and do those 2 intervals. Those 3 examples you should be able to do in 1 minute. And then you can just stack 5s like Steve Vai does. He does stuff like that, you know. Stack a 5 on top of 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 a 5 on top. Hope you enjoyed the exercises, and next we'll study the interval of 6s. Yeah.